Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your learning hours. First thing you'll do, of course, is log in. And you'll want to navigate to the left sidebar here and click on Learning Hours. And then click Record Learning Hours. Here you will enter the title, so you can say whatever you like. You select the type of learning. Maybe this was a movie. The topic today was on diversity. You would select here. The duration, so you can put your time for hours, and maybe it was an hour and 30 minutes long. And then you would hit create new learning hours entry. And all of your learning hours that you document will be here. So if you ever need to edit those learning hours, you could come here and you'll notice the edit button, and you can edit that here and hit update. If you needed to delete it for whatever reason, you could. And this way, your supervisors and admins will be able to help you keep track of the learning hours you need to complete or have completed. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Ruby for Good team. Thank you so much.